We just don't check it. The sound is... Was the sound gone? Danny, was the sound gone for a while?
Danny, did you just sit there and not tell us the sound?
Hello, audio engineer, Danny. Danny, was the sound gone?
No, why do you think it's back?
Danny, how can the sound be back if it was never gone?
What the fuck?
That's not an answer to the question, Danny.
Not for me. Okay. So Danny just wasn't a numpty, like he doesn't know.
Danny, well done for having consistent sound.
Yeah, we've always appreciated that about you, Danny.
You know, we talk about you on our calls and we're like, you know, the good thing about Danny, you can always hear us when he watches his stream, and not everyone can do that.
Could you imagine if that's what we talked about?